right, guys, this is our Airbnb here in Santorini. Right, check out our place here. It's small, but it doesn't need to be big. But look at this view. I mean, this place is adorable.
Close to our Airbnb, I saw a sign that mentioned an e-bike tour at an island very close to where we were at. So of course, I had to check it out. We ended up going into various caves that used to be where people used to live. We ended up going all across the island. There were some serious climbs on this island, so I'm super glad we had e-bikes. And then we ended up at this monastery that had some of the best views I had seen. After the tour, they prepared an amazing lunch. After lunch, I headed down, hopped on the ferry, made it back to Ammoudi Bay, just in time for us to start our VIP catamaran sunset tour. Later that night, we enjoyed our Airbnb's semi-private pool and hot tub. For our last day, we rented this Razor buggy and explored the island.